Hello and welcome to Nails for Sanam. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for the future updates. So in this video, we are going to learn all about one stroke technique and I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you. So let's begin. So we're going to start with the light base. You can choose any color that you like. I chose yellow and purple. So we're going to create a gradient effect. I already have the yellow color painted on my nails, and with the sponge we are going to create the gradient effect just like this. So we're going to dab it until we achieve the desired effect just like this. Now I'm going to clean up the mess that we made with a nail polish remover. Now we are going to apply the matte top coat. This is really important. It will make the surface easier to work for the one stroke technique. So let this dry and then I'm going to use the acrylic paints. So I chose the purple and turquoise color, and with the flat chiseled brush I'm going to dip half the brush in one color and half in the other, and then remove excess paint by swiping like this and also blending the colors. Now I'm going to create 3-petal flower on the edge of my nail just like this, and then once it's dry you can repeat the process to intensify the color. So this is really important. You can do 2 layers or 3 layers depending how intense you want the colors. This gives a beautiful, flawless and a gradient petals. Now you can create the design and the flowers you like. I created half flowers, but you can also create a full flower just like I did on my thumbs. So this is a very good trick to apply the matte top coat and then work with the acrylic paints to achieve a flawless design. So here our full flower is finished. Look how beautiful it looks. Now I'm going to outline with the black acrylic paint and fine detailing brush, or you can leave it without outline. It is up to you, but it looks more finished. And I'm just going to add some dots in the center. Also I'm just going to accent with the gold marker, and to finish everything off I'm going to apply a top coat, and this is my favorite top coat. It dries in 30 seconds and very glossy. You can keep the surface matte if you like, so apply top coat as a matte top coat, but I applied the shiny one. So here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new for such fun nail art videos. As always, thanks for watching.